Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the project scope management and its importance. Hello, I'm 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐓, an experienced project manager with the aim to educate people, especially students, aspiring project managers and experienced project managers. Let's start the video. What is project scope management and what is its importance? Project scope management refers to the processes involved in defining, documenting, and controlling the scope of a project. The scope of a project refers to the work that needs to be done to achieve the project objectives and deliverables. Effective project scope management is crucial to the success of any project. It helps to ensure that the project is completed within the agreed upon time frame, budget, and resources. It also helps to prevent scope creep, which is when the project scope expand beyond its original boundaries, leading to increased cost and delays. Four processes involved in project scope management are: number one, collect requirements. The first process is to collect requirements, which involves gathering and documenting the needs and expectation of stakeholders for the project. This process helps to ensure that the project's objectives are aligned with the needs of stakeholders. Number two, define scope. The second process is to define the scope of the project. This involves developing a detailed project scope statement that outlines the project objectives, deliverables, and boundaries. This process helps to ensure that everyone involved in the project understand what needs to be done to achieve its objectives. Number three, create WBS. The third process is to create a work breakdown structure, which is a hierarchical decomposition of the project deliverables into smaller, more manageable components. This process helps to break down the project into smaller, more manageable parts, making it easier to plan and execute. Number four, control scope. The final process is to control scope, which involves monitoring and controlling changes to the project scope. This process helps to ensure that the project stays on track and within its defined boundaries. Thank you for watching the complete video. I hope I've made the project scope management topic understandable to you, and I hope that you guys keep on watching the videos and keep supporting me. Thank you. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye.